If you need to install Windows 11 on your computer quickly and easily, this video is for you. I'll show you a simple method to install Windows 11, even on computers that don't meet Microsoft's official system requirements. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started with the tutorial. First, we need to download the Windows 11 ISO file. To do that, open Google and search for Download Windows 11. Click on the first result to access the official Microsoft website. On the Microsoft website, scroll down until you find the option to download the Windows 11 ISO image. Here, select the Windows 11 ISO with multiple editions. Click Confirm. Now select your preferred language, then click Confirm again. Finally, click on the 64-bit download option to start downloading the ISO file. After the ISO download is complete, right-click on the ISO file, then click Mount. After that, Windows will automatically open the new drive created with the ISO files. If this does not happen automatically, look for the DVD drive created by Windows and open it manually. Now, inside the ISO files, click on the address bar. Make sure it is highlighted in blue. Then type CMD and press the Enter key. Now, inside Command Prompt, type the following command: setup.exe /product/server. This command will also be available in the description of this video. After typing the command, press Enter. Click Yes to allow the execution. Now you can close Command Prompt and wait for the Windows installer to start. After the installer opens, we need to make some adjustments before continuing. Click on the option to change how Windows Setup downloads updates. Here, select the option Not Right Now. I recommend choosing this option because it makes the installation faster and can help avoid potential issues during setup. If any drivers are missing after Windows 11 is installed, you can install them later through Windows Update or from your computer manufacturer's website. Now click Next to continue. Accept the license terms. At this stage, you'll see three options. The first option allows you to keep your files, apps, and settings. The second option keeps only your personal files. And the third option removes everything, performing a clean installation of Windows. In this tutorial, I will choose the third option to perform a clean installation. Then click Next. Now the installer will show a summary of everything that will be done. Here we can check that it will install Windows 11 Home. An important detail, the installed edition will be based on the current edition of your Windows. For example, if you are using Windows 10 Pro, it will install Windows 11 Pro. If you are using Windows Home, it will install the Home Edition. Now click Install. Now the installation process will begin. This step may take several minutes or even a few hours, depending on your computer speed and storage device. So wait until the percentage reaches 100% and the computer restarts. After the computer restarts, Windows will begin the final installation and configuration steps. Now just wait a few minutes until the process is completed. During this stage, your computer may restart again. This is completely normal, so do not turn off your computer and wait until Windows continues automatically. After that, we will reach the initial Windows setup screen. Here you can choose some options according to your preferences. In this part, I will simply follow the default configuration. If you want, you can follow the same options. Now, Windows will perform some preparation steps, configure features, and complete the installation process. This step may take a few minutes, so just wait until it is finished. After completing this stage, Windows may restart the computer again to apply the final settings. After this, we will continue with the Windows account setup. At this stage, you will need to sign into your Microsoft account. If you already have an account, simply enter your email and password to continue. If you do not have a Microsoft account yet, click on the option to create a new account and follow the steps provided by Windows. After completing this step, we will continue with the initial system configuration. Now you need to create a PIN, which will be used to sign into Windows. Click on Create PIN. Here you can enable the option to include letters and symbols and create a password according to your preference. After that, continue with the next configuration steps. Windows may show some additional options such as restoring a backup, privacy settings, personalization options, and Microsoft services. These options depend on each user's preference. In this case, I will continue with a new PC setup without restoring any previous backup. After that, just complete the remaining setup steps. They're quick and easy, and once they're finished, you'll be taken to the Windows 11 desktop. Now you just need to install the necessary drivers, update Windows, and install the programs you use on a daily basis. And this was a simple way to install Windows 11, even on computers that do not meet Microsoft's official requirements. If you had any problems with Windows 11, or you did not adapt well to the new system, don't worry. Here on the channel, I also have videos showing how to return to Windows 10 in a simple and quick way. I will leave these videos appearing here on the screen and also available in the video description. Thank you for watching. Leave your like, subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. See you in the next video.